G'day mate and welcome back to the Crust with me, Judy. In our last episode we managed to go negative on funds just by upgrading a couple of belts, and today, well, I'm probably going to go negative on funds again. We have upgraded our production an awful lot. We are producing an awful lot more than we were before, but I'm still having problems. I'm still having problems that we don't producing nearly enough materials. We are nowhere near completing the second part of the laser. And I also have a second problem, and that is, well, some of the items that we did have enough of, we now don't have enough of. So we're actually consuming them faster than we're producing them. So today, I need to get on top of that. But before I get on top of that, before I get on top of building the laser, so I can save you at home, I need to ask that very important question. The very important question being, well, have you hit subscribe yet? You were in what, episode 19? It's a Let's Play. Come on, you've been here for 19 episodes. You binge watched the whole playlist. Do me a favor, hit the button. All right, well, with that out of the way, I'm going to ask you very quickly, just for those, the regulars that have already clicked subscribe, can I borrow that like? I'd just like to borrow a like. I like to borrow likes early in the video. Not happy with the video, didn't enjoy the video. Well, I need colonists. I need a lot of colonists. You're right at the top of the list, qualified or not. So, today, we need to do a few things. First thing I need to talk about is mining. We have added another extractor up here. This one's doing mainly titanium, shoving it into a bucket, bringing that bucket down to that bucket, bringing that bucket into this main line. Our next one is over here. We have an iron right here. Also have an aluminium. Now, this is the best aluminium I've ever seen. If we look at putting a structure on it, 6 cells, 7 cells, 6 cells, 5 cells. I cannot get a miner on this at all. I have sat here for 10 minutes and rotated every different direction and tried everything. This is the worst node in the world. So I need to put one miner on there manually. And he's just going to sit there mining aluminium forever. How much is here? Come on. 17,000 units. Yeah, he's going to be here for 18,000 units. I have no idea how long it's going to take him to mine that out, but that's a him problem. I can actually do that. Oh, yes, please. Bonus 100%. Pause. Send it all. Done. Okay, I'm back mostly on top of Bunny, a little bit, not really. We also have an idle cargo truck. Can I get an idle cargo truck to go to, not to laser gun, refinery. Refinery requires resources. I actually have those, so sure. Can I send you off to go do that? Cool. All right, so you're going to do that. We're going to mine out this wall, and we're going to continue on our merry way. I do want to expand the building out. Well, the building out. And I need to double check something very quickly. Can I now put undergrounds hard up against the wall? I can. Excellent. All right, problems. So you say you don't have enough silicon, which is a bit of a problem, assuming that I actually don't have enough silicon. As for my silicon bucket, I have plenty of silicon in the silicon bucket. As for my smelters, I have plenty of material in all the smelters. As for the belt output, I have plenty of material in the belt output. What I don't have is enough smelters. Well, I'm maxed out CPU power. Yeah, I'm maxed out CPU power. I've added more batteries. Can I go and... Can we just throw in some new CPUs? This area here looks good to fill with CPUs. Oh, don't tell me that. If you keep telling me that, I'll come through and I'll deconstruct all the buildings, and then I will be able to build there. They need microchips and silicon and aluminum and microprocessors. I have most of those. Silicon, not so much. All right. That's the contract done. Excellent. Yes, we're good. We're good. Rewards. Excellent. All right. Okay, so I have a few problems. First one is gears, components. I did have enough originally. We had 200. I'm now down to 132. Now, the only place I've really been spending them is on repairs. I have been spending them occasionally on storage. And I've built a number of storages. Don't get me wrong. I've built a number of storages, but these are the loose storages, and I've built 70 of them. It's possible, but I doubt it. So I'm spending a number of them on repairs. Now, you are not, you are actually upgraded, you are tier 1, but you don't have any colonists, which implies I need more colonists. Like, you can have 5 colonists. You can have 1 colonist who is making modular frames. You're making beryllium plates. I don't need a lot of beryllium plates, so we're not too worried about you. You're making CPUs, which I don't really need a lot of, so we're going to mark you down. You are making nanotubes, which require carbon fiber, silicon, which is probably where all my stuff is going. And I have 74 of those. Yeah, we're going to mark you down one as well. So I need to have this processing at full speed. So we're going to up you. You're already upped, but you don't have silicon, which means I need to solve the silicon problem, which means I need to put in some more of these. But before I do that, I need to get to research. Research. We did get the smelting furnace upgrade number 1. As these buildings actually require people to operate them, I can either build 2 buildings, which is an idea, or I can pay to have the buildings run faster and therefore not use more stuff. In the case of microcircuits, definitely going to be doing that one. Also, probably going to be doing the same with the components factory, getting that next upgrade, just because we need an awful lot of them for, well, saving Earth. And saving Earth is definitely priority number 1, right after making a profit. Yeah, cool. That should make profits. All right, so that's one thing that's happening. Second thing that's happening is, yeah, I need to go to surface. I need to rev up some batteries. It's no, wrong button. That button. It's daytime. Can I rip up the wires first, batteries second? All right, so that should give me some CPU power. CPU power means I should be able to get you, and I'd like to build you, but I'm sort of... All right, first off, can I plug that into there, and then can I plug that into there? Can I plug that into there, and then can I plug that in there? This is all tier 1 belt, but because of all the connectors, it's $8,500. Yeah, you can see why I've been avoiding connectors. Can I press that? Also, I don't have to do this 3 times, 5 times, 8 times. Yeah. Can I do that, and that? Can I get a power pole? We're going to put a power pole here. We're going to plug you in. We're going to plug you in. You guys are all tier 1 already. We're going to upgrade you, and I'm going to upgrade you. Tier 1 upgrades, I think, are worth it, as long as you're not ripping the building back down. Tier 2, not so sure. All right, next thing I want to do is we have our silicon moving through this underground, which is not as long as I'd like. I would really, really appreciate it if I could make this much longer. I don't know how long I can make them now, but that's what we're going to be finding out. All right, so can I delete you? Okay. Can I get a belt? Tier 1 belt out here, down 1 tile. Then throw an underground here. And I still see blue. I still see blue. I still see blue. I still see blue. Okay, I have no idea what the max length on an underground is, but I don't really care. That gets it well out of my way. And I think I actually made money from that recycling effort. So that will move our silicon all the way down there in a single leap. Great. Also means I can do some other changes. So this is slag going up to here. I want to modify that by removing this ice belt. Urgent contract on the moon. I'll think about it. Promise you. All right. So I want to move this slag. This slag is this tile. So can I go there and then there? Okay. I have 247145. Okay. Can I do a delete? Can I delete that delete? Yep. I deleted the whole lot. Okay. Can I plug you into there? Can I get an underground from here all the way to here? Cool. Can I then do a filter? Slag. Filter. Ice. Okay. Can I do a underground? I'm going to go an underground from there to here. We're going to do a delete. We're going to remove... Yep, we're going to remove all of that. And then we're going to run ice directly into there. Okay, then we're going to run our underground from here to here and plug that directly in there. 285 minus 20 is 267, up from 247. So that was actually profitable to do. Sure, I have to click this button again, but that should work, and you should be filtering slag up and ice left. Also, it's just less belts I have to maneuver around. What are you doing? You're doing nothing because you can't output. Okay, can I fix that? Can I put a friend there and a friend there and a friend there? Can I... power poles. Okay. You can power that one, you can power that one, you can power that one, you can then... No, you can't power that one. You can then power to here, who can then power that power pole, who can then power that, who can then... it's not built yet. Can I get that built, please? Who then can rip out that power pole, who can then rearrange some things. An awful lot of things. Also, I need to change this. No, we don't need to change that up. I do need to change this up. No, not really. You're definitely outputting? You are definitely outputting. Okay. Two things, donor production. Oh, can I set you to be silicon? And can I set you to be silicon? That seems important. All right. I have no idea if that belt's running fast enough. We'll come back to that in a minute. All right. Can I do deletes? Deletes, and go on. Okay. No idea if that power pole was important. I'm routing through other things, but it should now be a solved problem. Okay, so I need to run out of here in where that power pole is. So we're going to run to here first and then into there. We're going to run you out and into there. We're going to run you into there. We're going to run you into there. We're going to complain once again about how expensive connectors are. Dismantles. I love it. Dismantles. He's doing dismantles. He's doing dismantlers. Can I get you to be aluminum? You can be aluminium, and you can be alumina. All right, so can I plug you into there as well? All right, build all. Okay, so can I get you many upgrades? Can I get you many upgrades? Can I get you many upgrades? You can have lots of upgrades. You can have lots of upgrades. You can have lots of upgrades. And you seem to be fine, although maybe I need to take away that favorite so you sort of distribute a little bit better. All right. So this is the line down to the bus. I want a line down to the bus. I also want to split the line off the bus and run half into fuel and half elsewhere. So we're going to grab this. We're going to bring you out of tile. We're going to put in a bigger bucket. Yes. Belts, please. And also run that to there. Can I remove that? I don't need to remove that, so I'm not going to. And run that to there. You're going to be aluminum, and you're going to have a three-way split. Okay, so that's more aluminum processing. That should take off some of the pressure off this bucket. Iron, I can't really expand. It's sort of maxed out. Titanium, we've already expanded, and well, frankly, if these buckets are not full, then I don't really have an issue. I can also upgrade these to the next tier and process even faster. Silicon are already all on tier 2. I can give them more room to expand, and we might look at that. Microcircuit factory upgrade. Cool. Can I do... Should do that just in case I get more money back. You never know. Sure. All right. Power. Oh, ping machine. That's what I was doing. And can I do you? Can I throw you 9? No. 9. Okay. And then can I get a bucket? Put a bucket here. Give you a second bucket just in case. You're just making a mess on the floor. And there and there. Can I get a belt? We're going to plug you in, you in, you in, and of course the power pole's in the exact spot. Sure. You're going to be Reglith, and you're going to be Reglith. And then can I get you, and can I put you here? And we're going to get a second ping machine. I don't think I'm going to need 2 ping machines, but you never know. So, we've seen to about here. All right, let me do another mass ping whilst nobody complains for 2 seconds. And it's daytime. Late daytime. Yeah, I shouldn't drain the battery too much. Scan completed and found 2 things. One was a phantom image up at the top, which I had to go and, guesstimate. It's up there somewhere. And the second one is water on the edge of the map. I have a feeling the game is trying to troll me, and I'm going to get to that. I'm not going to be able to mine it. But we're going to mark it anyway, and that officially marks the edge of the map. We're going to have the other one build, because it's just going to be quicker to have the other one build to scan, well, this area down here. Actually, no, we got a decent way. Actually, we got a long way south. So we've found the left-hand side of the map. All right. So you guys are going to get processed. You guys are set. You'll run more Reglith into the Grand Reglith belt. That'll give us even more resources. All right. Where are we? Up here. up here. This is the thing that I want to build last episode and I didn't have time. They should all be fully charged, right? Not really. Charge rate 37. Okay. Maybe it's time we did this. And this is why I don't have any silicon. Well, actually, I haven't done this in a long time. Okay, can I plug in another row? It definitely means I'm now going to have to look for a contract because just putting in power wires gets really expensive really quickly. Okay, all right, so that's that done. We have an idle cargo truck, which is out in the world map. You picked up something local on your way home. Cool, continue on your way home. All right, and the rovers are idle. Okay, can you do that scan? Nothing, and go investigate, and your friend can do that scan and found nothing, and then can do that investigate. All right, they're going to be done in 2 seconds, but that's fine because I want to build a flight control center. Finally. Okay, can I shift you as far to the left as possible? Only if I shift you down, which potentially means concrete's already up there. It potentially means concrete has to travel further. Okay, can I go back to you? So that is in the middle of good question. What is that? That's the middle of titanium, and that's in the middle of fuel. But we already have one right there that we can access.
Package delivered.
Can I? That should work. Can I delete? Can we just rip out the last row and then we're just gonna pull the plug. Can I get you to exit, leave the base? They told not to pick up stuff from here. I need to turn that on. Drones, please don't bring resources here. You're allowed to take. You're not allowed to bring. You're not allowed to bring. You're not allowed to bring. And that bucket's not far. It's got 500 in it. You got 400. You've got nothing. Okay, so I need to get more resources into the base. I also have a slag problem once again. This is got 9,000 in it, and some of these I was looking earlier. You have 500 slag. You have 3,000 slag. You're actually capped out. You cannot run. So I need to upgrade you one tier. Okay, so you have not enough slag. Hang on. You have 800 slag. You have 800 slag. You have 10 slag. Go faster. Go faster. You're doing 64. Oh, the belt limit is 120. Ah. Okay, and you guys are now using 64, which is 128. That's a 60 belt. I'm not sure what speed that belt is. It was too fast to start with. Alright, so that hopefully gets you guys running a little bit faster. Alright, back to you guys. You found me a supply outpost where I need to take resources there. Somebody got me some science. Can I get you dispatch to scan? And you got me, please go pick up goodies. We can do that. You're right there. Go. Okay. You, on the other hand, go to there. Cool. And other cargo truck who just left the base, who now has nothing on him. No. Preferably not. 3 engineers, preferably not. Silicon and CPUs. Gears. Let's go with gears. Can I get you go? We're back to 242. Okay, so into here. Gears with engineers here is definitely helping. You, it's not helping so much, mainly because I don't have enough silicon. I still don't understand. You're making 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. 32 silicon. 32 silicon's coming. It's getting split. So it's technically 16 silicon half the time. You know, if the things are full, then it's more than that. That's coming straight down to here. That belt is definitely not full. Okay. You are consuming 12 every minute, but you're running at 15% efficiency. You're also claiming 12 every minute at 15% efficiency. You're claiming none. You're claiming none. You're claiming every CPU I ever, every microcircuit I ever see, and you're getting whatever's left, which is not enough. Okay. So, I definitely need to upgrade silicon
Research
again.
complete.
I also have components factory upgrade tier 2. Okay. Sure. Sure. All right, components factory, which is this guy, which is 50,000. 50,000 is not the end of the world, providing I can find a contract. Providing I pressed the wrong button. Providing you guys are gone. Okay, you guys are gone. Can I build the flight control center finally? Okay, can I flip and rotate you in the right direction? And let's put you here. So you have belts in and belts out. And I want to use the belts in and the belts out to automatically feed things in here. But I want to be specific about what I'm feeding in here. First thing I'm going to be feeding here is going to be bricks. So I'm going to put you 2, 4, 6, 8. Nope. Delete. Can I put you there instead?
6 months after the completion of the Aurora Aerospace Complex, environmentalists worldwide continue to sound the alarm. The launch of extensive manufacturing is devastating for the environment and exacerbates the ongoing issue of glacier melt. Scientists link the construction of the Aurora Complex to the increased frequency of natural disasters, including the recent Typhoon Berta, which claimed hundreds of lives on the eastern coast of China. According to expert estimates, within 5 years, approximately 12% of coastal areas will be at risk of flooding.
That's okay. We're on the moon. We're on the moon, and Earth has 1,200 days. 1,200 days, and I'm in charge of trying to fix that problem. All right, bricks. Can I put bricks here, 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 and here? I want 5 buckets. 5 buckets represents Control Shift. Represents 10,000. 10,000 brick storage. Okay. Belts. I want to have a belt. We're gonna go in, more in, lots of in, and then dismantle? Actually, no. Dismantle. This one? This one. I might put something else there. I can't get something else out. Okay, no, turns out I need to slide you down a little bit more. Okay, logistics. Big buildings. Big buildings are hard to place. Okay, can I put you here instead? Okay, can I put you here? Actually, can I just do the whole thing again? Belts. Cancel all. Okay, bricks. We're going to go with 1,
You can't
2,
build here.
3, 4, 5. I want a lot of brick storage. Okay. Then I want to have you plugged in. I'm going to use 2 belts because 2 belts are as fast as a tier 2 belt, but they're also significantly cheaper. You, and you. Okay. Then we're going to plug you into there. Great. Without the connector. Oh, it's the out. Okay. That's the out. That's the in. Okay. Okay. Can I remove that, and that? Alright, fine. Build all. Okay. Control. Left, and left. Alright. Belts. Can I bring this to here? Build. Okay. Bricks can now come in here very, very slowly. Bricks can also Actually, need to remove that. I need this to come to there. And then I need this to come to there. Okay. Bricks can come through this system. They can also come into this building. They can also leave this building and go back to the start. Wasting science points. We cannot have that. All right. What are we wasting? We're wasting green. Okay. Can I finally get that done? I can finally maybe get that done. Keeps going on the list. It keeps getting knocked off the list. RTG upgrade. So, back on the fundamental. RTG leads me to battery capacity by 20%. We already have one of those, but a second one of those sounds like a great idea. Way more important than a fuel factory upgrade that I'm probably never going to use. All right. 10,000? 10,000. Cargo for trucks go faster. Okay. All right. Cargo truck on the world map who does not go faster. You could do this. Can I send you... I know you already have cargo on you. I don't care. You're just going to go back. I don't know. Maybe you'll drop off your stuff. Maybe you won't. It doesn't really matter. You only have 900 cargo. So somebody is definitely emptying you. All right. So back to this. So this is going to let me automate sending out bricks. Okay. Bricks can travel in here via belt, get loaded up via belt. And then if this doesn't need belt, the bricks will flow straight back out and flow into this storage. So it means I have a continuous loop of bricks moving around. So glad I'm not paying the power bill for running the conveyors. All right, can I... Now, power's not going to do great because I removed some batteries which are not fully charged. Well, the replacement's not fully charged. Can I come to here? No. Okay. More. More, I said. More? That's probably enough. Okay, can I run that into the next line? I need to find a contract, preferably one that requires bricks if that building's built. And I actually didn't look if I had the materials to build it to start with. I just placed it and hope for the best. We have not modular frames. Not modular frames, and apart from that, we're good to go. Okay. And I asked for a cargo truck a long time ago. It is waiting on green ships. Cool. All right, so green ships requires silicon, and modular frames requires nothing. It just requires more engineers. All right, more engineers. Colonist hiring. Do we have anybody cheap? No. All right. Contracts. No. No. No, that's on the surface. No. No. 25 grand, it's just not worth it. 1,000 bricks. 1,000 bricks, 36,000 with some science. 40 if I get it done in 8 days. We can do that in 8 days. It is going to require 2 cargo drops. 9,000. Can I get a 9 pod? And then can I get a little pod? And done. Okay. Actually, if I can't hire more colonists, can I hire more bots? At 51,000. Pass, it's fine. Alright, so we're gonna get some more we're gonna get some money. Okay, money step number 1. Step number 2, silicon. Silicon and bricks. Bricks should now have everybody backed up on slag. No, you're not backed up on slag. Nor you. Okay, can I upgrade that belt? That is full recycling, conveyors, and wires. Cool. We threw that in as a bonus, and it's already done. Sure. Yeah. All right. So hopefully you guys get backed up on slag. You're not backed up on slag either. You will back up on slag because you have so much throughput there. We can always do that. And prioritize. That way you just send resources straight across. because the fact that you're full is a little bit worrying. It means we're just not processing everything fast enough. We're also out of regolith. And that belt is going about as fast as I can make it move. And down here, it's also going as fast as I can make it move. But these guys are running. They are running flat out. Technically, we just maxed out the belt. Roughly. Scan. Anything? Yes, something in that direction. Can I do that one first then? Alright. And no idea the other rover's there. Okay. Alright, so. Production. Saving the Earth. Alright. Green circuits. Need green circuits going faster. We've put people on there, so that should speed that up. I need to have more silicon. To make more silicon, I need to get rid of the bricks. To get rid of the bricks, we're going to put a giant storage. Hopefully means we're going to automate selling bricks in vast sums. Also means that I need to tidy up this. Bricks are sort of going to here and then leaving and going to, well, here into the whatever it's called, the elevator, and also going down to here. So I want to tidy this up. The way we're going to be doing that is by destroying some things and making a mess. We're going to remove that, remove that, remove that. Crap. No, that just removed it back to the connector. All right. Can I remove this? Can I remove this? Can I put a storage here and a storage here? And technically I don't need that one. Can I get a belt? So we're going to go a belt from there and a belt. Remove. A belt to there. Okay, and then you're going to plug in to the rear like so, and we're going to say build all. Alright, with that done, if I play my cards right, I can put in one more of these guys. As I'm desperate for more of those, sounds like a good idea. We're going to remove you, we're going to remove you, we're going to remove you, and we're going to remove you. Alright, we're going to grab a belt. We're going to bring it out of here. One tile. We're going to go undergrounds because these are now massively long. And are we stopping here? No, we're not stopping here. We're going to here. Okay. And then from there, we're going to remove first and then plug that into there. Cool. And then can I remove that? And can I remove that? And can I remove that? All right. Next up, I want to have a direct line straight to you. I want to have you come out of tile. And then we're going to run underground from there to there. It's all about trying to remove some of the spaghetti and plug you into there. Build all. Okay. So, bricks can now come out. You need to be selected to be bricks. And this is... tidier is not the right word. It's something. It's definitely a something. Okay. Can I get a belt? We're going to bring a belt out here for more silicon. And more silicon is... Yes.
Research complete.
Okay, you're going to be silicon. You're going to go away. That's going to be my answer. Okay, power. Cool. You're built. And now you're powered. And you use 100 power. At least you don't need repairs. Okay. Bricks are going around circles. So there is some amount of bricks in here ready to go at all times. Multi-process storage, which was thrown in a long time ago as a sure, why not? Engineering. Rare mineral refinery. Rolling mill upgrade. Conveyor. Okay. Don't know when we'll need that, but you know, well, regolith could probably use it because I can't get these other belts to work. But that's just me. I haven't played with it too much. All right, so that should go that way. You're now being removed. Cool. Can I remove that? Can I remove that? Can I plug this into here? Can I plug that into there? And then we're going to split you off, then bring you down a tile, and then see if that plugs into your previous underground. I see blue lines, I see blue lines, I see blue lines, I see blue lines up to that tile. So, in theory, that plugs in. Well, they're disappearing, so I'm going to go with it is. Okay, can I plug that in? You're going to be doing silicon as well. I'm going to give you an upgrade. Okay. Also means that I'm going to come out this side and I'm going to extend silicon by an awful lot. Because, well, we've had this problem for a while and I'm sick of dealing with the problem. And the best way to deal with a problem when it comes to production games is just overproduce. If you just overproduce, it should never be a problem again until you've used up all the overproduction, and then it becomes a giant problem because you need to overproduce your overproduction. Yep. Been there a few times. All right, can I get you to come out and go to there? And I should have storages for each of these. Do I want to put storages? I want $11,000. Yeah, I want to put storages. Yeah, I want to put storages because it's so much money. Storage. Can I do... So this is just bricks and silicon. These are cheap. Does mean that power pole's definitely going to be in the way. Okay, can I... Have you go straight to there. Have you go to there, and then... To there. To there. To there. On to there, into there, into there. We get 100% refund according to the game now, so sure. Okay, and you are also definitely in the way. And yes, okay. Can I go storages once again? You, which is requiring some of those components, but we've turbocharged that, so it shouldn't be as much of a problem now. Can I get that to go away, and you need to plug into there. And you need a friend here. Something like that. Yeah, I feel like this is confident amounts of spaghetti-wise. Okay. And you go in there. Okay. And this is some tier of belts. Let's just go with tier 2. Just do all the connections with tier 2, and that way hopefully it doesn't become an issue. And then go back to tier 1 for all these connections. Eventually the game will have copy and paste, right? It has copy and paste for recipes, but I fully support tiny little copy and pastes. Yeah. There to there, 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 and then there to there. Okay. Build all. Alright, you are gonna be... No. You are gonna be going that way as well. Cool. Alright, you are gonna be silicon ore. Copy, paste. So, I've been through this a few times. It is set a recipe. Control, left click on a building, shift, left click on all their friends, and then bang, recipes are pasted across. Alright, if that doesn't fix my silicon problem, I don't know what will. Not enough power to run the module. We never got powered. I thought we did that last episode. Okay. Can I delete that? Can I run... copy. Copy. Belts. Here to here to here to here to here. And then you directly into that belt. And I wouldn't call that direct. Okay. Copy. Into there. Okay. And you are both connected. You are both connected. And you're now powered. Another 15 grand on belts. Alright. That belt is all backed up with regolith and is underground to here and coming here at full speed, but that's technically not full. They're technically not full. Okay, so can I upgrade this? Can I upgrade that? That's already upgraded. Can I upgrade that? And that should upgrade us back to here, and then can I upgrade that? And then can I upgrade the, that sounds like something power down. Oh, it's my bank account powering down. Alright. You. Scan. Nothing, really? Okay, investigate that one. You. Scan. still in that direction. Dispatch the scan. Okay. You. Can you go and get... I can afford that. We now have 4 of them. Excellent. He got built. Oh, maybe I can't afford that. No, they're green ships. Green ships are one of the things we're struggling with. Can I do that? Vastly more expensive. Hopefully it's vastly better. Alright, okay. Back into here. You have resources, bricks passing through you. Really? Yes, really. We found a simple pick up resources. Excellent. I like pick up resources. Go investigate that one. Okay, so I have sellable items. I have a whole lot of medicines and a whole lot of food. Can I just do... first off, can I find something with bricks? A lot of bricks. An awful lot of bricks. 2,500 for 153. How much do I have here? Probably close to 2,500. Alright, can I upgrade? No, I can't upgrade. Oh, it's upgraded a little bit. Okay, can we do... I'm now at minus some amount of money. Alright, can I do this one? 6 days if I load 2,500. So send resources. 900, and we need to change this to the flight control center and change that to that, and we say go. And then we say 900 and go, and then done. Okay. At the same time, bring that back up. Can I go to this? Can I go sell? And I've been stockpiling these for a long time because I have 181 of them. That's too much. Okay, can I do 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, that one. 150 of them. That's $400,000. And you're going to be at the landing platform, please. Thank you. Food. Food I've also been stockpiling for a long time because food is heavy and is worth a fortune. No. Can I go with... That's too much. 72... 8892 225. It weighs one piece of food weighs as much as one piece of fuel. Okay. Profit 81,000. It's not worth a lot of money, but I can mass produce it from nothing. So we're going to sell that as well. Technically, food comes from slag. Okay. With that done, you're going to land. You already have materials in there ready to go. I would have really liked to upgrade this again, but it either won't let me or it won't let me. Okay, so you're going to load up, and if I do this, then the drones won't bring resources anymore, and awaiting new load. What do you mean await? Oh, okay. I think the drones are very much ignoring me. Here, go load some food. Alright, we have 500,000. Can I do that? That's much better. That's a much faster belt. And can I go higher? Can go higher. It went backward. But we are feeding this incredibly slowly, don't forget. This okay, can I do belts? Can I just get a crappy belt and bring that into there so that all gets moved across as well? And can I remove all of this? We haven't used any of it, and now it's going to go away. Okay. Okay, it didn't get removed. Excellent. And yeah, you're going to load up very, very quickly and then get sent off, which means I can now mass ship out bricks. That's the first thing I needed. I want to be able to mass ship out fuel as well. Also, that is turn it on, so drones can pick up stuff from there. There's definitely some goodies in there, but this means I can mass get rid of bricks. I have an awful lot of bricks, which means as long as I can find some contracts for bricks, I can get rid of them. I do have rovers that are searching for that item, and you have found the survivors camp, which has goodies I can pick up, or that goodies to drop off. That's goodies to drop off. Okay, and you can go investigate the corporate base. That's a pickup. I like pickups, like I said. And I want to go back underground. As for down here, if I can get you enough silicon, you can make enough green circuits. And it's no point upgrading you until I can make sure that we're getting enough materials in. Silicon looks like it's at the point where this belt needs to go faster, and therefore this belt needs to go faster, and therefore that belt needs to go faster. You definitely need to go faster, and maybe we're at the point where we're actually making enough silicon. Oh, a 1 tile short. The best tile. Okay, you'll now have silicon as well. Slag is, well, less of a problem. We are now filling all of these machines, so they are maxed out, and we are processing an awful lot of bricks. Awful lot of bricks means I can sell an awful lot of bricks. We have done some tidy up. Obviously, I think the next one is a giant underground from here to here, save me some money. And as for this, we're okay so far. That's fitting into there, that's backed up. That's backed up and full. Okay, which means you're full. And you guys, none of you are full? Well, technically you guys are starting to get low on regolith, which means I need to go back and find
Research
the
complete.
first section that's backed up and say upgrade that section. All right, contract complete, done, nice and easy. Research complete, RTG upgrade. Fundamentally, battery optimization kit Mark II, which is going to jump straight to, no, we can do that one. Somewhere near the top of the queue. And this is plugged in, and I have a ping machine, which I need to go play with. Did I mark that? Oh, oh, that's right. We're not nearly as close to the bottom of the map as I thought. Yeah, so I need to go play with the ping machine, which also means I need to leave this episode here. Yep, I did mark that, so I have no idea where the Diggy Boys are. And you are making an absolute mess of... I have no idea where you've gone. Actually, can I do this? Yeah, if you're going to be stuck here for the next forever, have a charging station right there. I'm sure other people will use it as well. This is aluminum. Yep, so aluminum is just going to have to get shipped across via bots, and we should be good. And yeah, I have more batteries to move, more things to do. There's more things to do in the next episode, but this is a big triumph. Having this, so we can actually start mass shipping things out. Oh, you don't give me half a second, do you? And that one. And in theory, you work, so we'll just put you right at the top of the queue, and maybe start saving me some money. We will find out. But yes, this should make a massive difference. And if I can get all the brick up here a lot faster, everything will be a lot happier. Also, the expedition center, I want to be able to put fuel in, because if I see a contract to ship fuel across the map, it's something I actually want to do. But I've gone on long enough. What I need to do is I need to end this episode here. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Do hope you've enjoyed. I'll see you in, well, the very next episode. All right, bye.